Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I just got the new BOXYCHARM box in, and this is the November BOXYCHARM box. So as usual, I have no clue what's in here. I did not check out any other videos, and I did accidentally today see a small spoiler on Instagram. Now, you know though that everybody gets different stuff in their boxes, so I might not get what I seen on the picture, but I hope I did get some of what I seen on the picture. So let's open it up and see what's inside. I'm nervous. I've actually been waiting for this all day, and for some reason this box came in a little late. Last month's box came in really early, but this month I was like, where you at, BOXYCHARM? All right, so lifting up the box, and this is what the inside looks like. Oh, I'm assuming this is the new box. So the old BOXYCHARM, I think the boxes were smaller and they were $21, but they changed the price and they made the box bigger. So the old price was $21. Did I just say that? New is $25. So this is the paper. It's called BOXYCHARM Stellar. And the first thing I see here is a pretty vulgar concealer packet. Now I think they were doing this, I think they started this because they were gonna start trying to put concealers and foundations in the boxes, but they were sending out samples first maybe. I think, I'm not sure. Don't take my word for it, but I think that's what this is all about. So it's a little pack with these sample colors here. That'll be fun to try. So this is what I'm seeing in the box. Let's check out the first thing. It's a little pouch here. Oh, this is cute. So it's this little pouch and it says BOXYCHARM on it. And there's two brushes. Look at these brushes. They're both black. They're both like heavy and sturdy feeling. They say BOXYCHARM on them. Oh, hey girl. Oh my gosh. Yes. That feels amazing. But what's up with this? Does BOXYCHARM have brushes now? I've never seen this before. Next up, we have a Tula Skincare Star Bright Nourishing and Brightening Cosmic Hydrogel Mask. If you hear that loud noise, the fan just cut on. I hate when that happens. But anyways, okay. So face mask, we got two of them. This has probiotics, grapefruit, chamomile, and go-to cola. I probably said that wrong, but okay. Next up, we have a Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. Girl, I need that. Oh, this is awesome. Okay, check that out. All right, so we got two more items here, and then we're going to talk about prices. Okay, so now I got the Dose of Colors Nude Mood. I actually already have this, so girl. Next up, we have an eyeshadow palette. This is the Celestial Thunder from Dominique Cosmetics. Okay, so this actually looks like the box I seen on the spoilers. So it's an eyeshadow palette. There's 8 eyeshadows here. These are really pretty cute names. This color right here is gorgeous. So yeah, that's all that came in the box this month. This was some pretty good stuff, but I want to check out what's up with the concealer and the brushes. Okay, so the box is $25, and now I'm gonna tell you the prices of each product in the box. So the Dominique Cosmetics eyeshadow palette is $35. The Juice Beauty Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment is $50. Girl. Dose of Colors is $18. The set of 2 face mask is $22. And then, so I see here the BOXYCHARM 2-piece brush set. Oh, so this is $35 for a 2-piece brush set. And this is a multi-purpose powder brush. So the large is a multi-purpose powder brush. It's perfect for liquids, creams, and powders or mineral products. And the foundation brush is this one. And it helps with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. Cruelty-free, handcrafted. These are gorgeous, so that was pretty cool. So, I guess other people got Becca and some people got Pretty Vulgar. So it says swatch the Becca or Pretty Vulgar complexion pack in your November box. Visit the website and let them know what shade matched you best. And then you actually get to receive the full-size product, I'm assuming, in your next box. Now, I don't know how I'm gonna do this though. because as you all know, I was somehow miraculously placed on the BOXYCHARM PR list, so I get these complimentary. I've never signed up for it, so who am I gonna tell about this? I'll have to email somebody or something. But okay, it's pretty cool. I think it's really cool that they're gonna be adding like concealer or foundation. That's awesome. So yeah, that was the November BOXYCHARM box. I'm probably not going to do a try on just because it's 3:12 right now. It's super gloomy and rainy and depressing outside. And to be honest, I'm just not in the mood to put any makeup on. But I am gonna be testing all this out as usual. And I also wanted to just really quick say that since I already got this Dose of Colors lip color, Nude Mood, I already own it, so maybe I can do a little giveaway. So I just opened this for the first time. I'm not going to open it and use it, no worries. But if you want to win this Dose of Colors lip color in the shade Nude Mood, leave a comment down below, say whatever you want to say, but make sure that you let me know you want to win. Just say, I would love to win that, or however you want to say it. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and yeah, that's it. So, if you want to win this cute little lip color, let me know in the comments down below, and then I will pick a random winner. But yeah, this box was awesome. I'm really looking forward to this because I am getting up there in age, girl, and those wrinkles, they've been coming for a while. And yeah, this looks pretty good too. That gray looks awesome. That's awesome. So, pretty good box. And thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. What do you think of everything I got in my BOXYCHARM box? Oh, really quick before I end this video, because y'all always want to know which box I got. So I got number 8, and then the weight of my box was 1.15. So number 8, 1.15. So yeah, thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys next time.